Okay, Assalamu alaikum. We are going to discuss here the Kirchhoff's voltage law, and this law states that the algebraic sum of voltage around any closed path is zero. Let us see what is a closed path. In this circuit, we can see that this is the two battery connected, and the current according to the electron flow is flowing from here, from point A to point C to point E, point F, D, B, and back to A. This starting from this point A and going all the way and coming back to A makes a closed path, right? So this is basically a closed path. And if we see in this circuit, we can see that there is not only one closed path, there are multiple. Like this was the outer closed path, A, C, F, E, F, D, B, A, C, E, F, D, B, A. Then there are two inner closed paths, this one and this one. If we see this, A, C, D, B, A, and the other one is C, E, F, D, C, this one. So we have three loops or three closed paths in this circuit. Let's see what we can do further is that we can find out the individual voltages and make the loop equation. So loop equation, if we look at the circuit, we can see that in there are outer loop and two inner loops. We have one outer loop and two inner loops, and outer side loop or outside loop has voltage V1, V4, V5, V2, and VT, right? And the first inner loop has V1, V3, V2, and VT, and the second inner loop has V4, V5, and V3. So these are the things which we must observe from this given circuit. Then we can develop the loop equations. So the loop equation for the first inner loop is ACDBA with V1, V3, V2, and VT voltages. And the second inner loop CEFDC has V4, V5, and V3, and it does not include any voltage source. So in the clockwise direction, starting from point A, the algebraic sum of voltages is for the first inner loop is minus V1, minus V3, minus V2, plus VT, because this is plus, and the remaining are minus and equals to 0. And if we put the values, we will get 120 plus minus 30 minus 120 minus 90 makes minus 240, minus 240 plus 240 equals to 0. So this is the method of forming a loop equation according to the Kirchhoff current voltage law. We can do this for the outside loop also, and here we see that minus V1, minus V4, minus V5, minus V3, plus VT. This will give you 0. And for the second inner loop, it will be minus V4, minus V5, and plus V3, which is again 40 plus minus 40 minus 80 makes minus 120, and minus 120 plus 20 equals to 0. So this is the method of making loop equations for Kirchhoff's voltage law. Thank you.